Welcome to the written ability test workshop. Nobody's expecting fancy English. Nobody's expecting you to ignite the Mr. Shashi Tharoor inside of you. Presence of mind. आपको जो याद है, आप अपने VAT से कैसे link कर सकते हो? If you are gaslighting, if you are dragging on, you know when you do. Avoid. Who do you give more attention and importance? Please avoid by saying balance should be struck between the both.
Watching YouTube shorts generates hits of dopamine, which is behavior that is very similar to the taking of drugs.
VAT. Why does it matter? इतना important क्यों है? चलिए, what's up everyone? Welcome to the written ability test workshop. ठीक है? So what we've decided and done for you all in this workshop is we are going to take you through the entire structure of it. ठीक है? VAT round का importance क्या होता है? As you know, now that you have cleared the CAT and now that you're kind of appearing for your top colleges के interviews, with the PI, the VAT carries a lot of weightage. So what is the significance? What is the selection criteria? Okay, what are they looking for? Other than that, some common mistakes that you should avoid. And the best part about this workshop is I will give you all templates to use for specific types of topics. So I've got you covered. I would want you to basically use this PPT, use this PDF to, and remember कि अगर, you know, if there's an abstract topic, go with this such kind of thought process. If there is a opinion topic, go with such kind of thought process. So that should be good. Before we conclude the session, I will also show you samples of good VAT topics. How do they look like? So practical करेंगे. And of course, this is a workshop where a topic will be given to you all. You all will write down your thoughts and actually read it out for the benefit of everyone watching us also. Okay? So चलिए, let's get started. You all know me. My name is Amit Arora and I'm everything VRC right here. चलिए, let's get started. So VAT. Why does it matter? इतना important क्यों है? 100% ठीक है? Written note है clarity of thought, logical structure and most important language and relevance. यहाँ पे clarity of thought मतलब you should be able to show some depth. You should be, and of course width as well. ठीक है? When we are looking at logical structure, we'll give you the structures so you can use that. You don't need to work on that at all. ये मेरा promise है. यार यहाँ पे भी struggle है. When we talk of language, nobody's expecting fancy English. Nobody's expecting you to ignite the Mr. Shashi Tharoor inside of you. Okay? So don't struggle with that. And at the same time, don't feel scared if you're not so good at English. Just correct English. Simple words. No jargon. No short forms which are scary. Okay? So no, you may not use in your VAT something like CAC, expecting everyone to know this is customer acquisition cost. चलो वो भी छोड़ो और एक इजी ले लेते हैं LTV, which is, if I'm not mistaken, loan to value ratio. And LTV? Lifetime value. Misleading. ठीक है? So not to be used. So avoid jargons at all costs. ठीक है? Remember, typical time allotment will be given. You will be given 15 to 30 minutes. This differs from B school to B school. ठीक है? And also word limit expectation is anywhere from 150 to 300 words. It is always advisable that you limit your VAT to 200 words. Now इधर ना उधर. ठीक है? Weightage may contributes 10 to 20% of the final shortlisting selection criteria. So of course it varies, but it is critical and crucial. Okay? Also different current affairs, business, economy, we will see all of this 100% today. Chaliye. Now, what is it that you are being tested on? 100% आपका content कितना relevant है? Understanding. Did you answer what was asked? This is the best question to ask. Suppose you're drawing a blank. Suppose you're busy writing. Every 2 sentences that you write or every 1 sentence में ask, am I doing justice to the topic? So I want you to basically, बहुत simple process है क्योंकि आपको खाली वो आंसर करके आपको आंसर मतलब elaborate करना है, right? So keep going back to the topic. Every sentence के बाद, is this doing justice? Am I showcasing myself, my thinking on this, your opinion, your knowledge? That should do it. ठीक है? So what was asked? ठीक है? This is your core score driver, you guys. 100% coherence. ठीक है? So all that you need to do is structure your VAT, which I will teach you, don't worry. ठीक है? Paragraphing, signposting क्या था आपको उसका दिन सिखाएंगे. Signposting and powerful, impactful words I give you all today. ठीक है? So use them. They always create a very good impression. ठीक है? So intro, body, conclusion तो बहुत basic है. आपका strength, argument का and balance क्या है? इसका मतलब है evidence or examples. To say that India's GDP is growing, ठीक है, is not good enough. To say that India registered a growth rate of 4.4%, you know, year on year is more powerful. Of course, this data has to be absolutely accurate. ठीक है? This creates a massive impact. Now, वैट में यू ऑब्वियसली अ बर्निंग क्वेश्चन दैट यू मे हैव, सो मुझे कैसे याद रहेगा और क्या क्या याद करके जाऊं? यहाँ पे स्मार्टनेस करना है, प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड। आपको जो याद है आप अपने वैट से कैसे लिंक कर सकते हो वो डिसाइड करो यार, ठीक है? सो बी इट एनी टॉपिक, बी इट एआई, ठीक है, बी इट सोशल मीडिया, बी इट करंट अफेयर्स का जियो पॉलिटिक्स, बट समथिंग दैट मिस्टर डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प डिड लास्ट व्हाट रिगार्डिंग द H1B visa. So has the fees been increased? What is that 1 lakh dollar ka visa that has the fine on specifically what numbers? So as a panelist, when I'm looking at your VAT, think from the point of view of the panelist or the evaluator. Am I just seeing words? Yeah, am I seeing numbers somewhere? Massive impact, big difference. Number. अच्छा ठीक है. Lot of kids also take the middle path. Sir, approx डाल देते हो. Not bad, but your approx better be very close to it, plus minus 10%. Then डालो approx. ठीक है? So this is what we mean. ठीक है? Evidence, examples, counterpoint acknowledgement. Beautiful. A lot of kids also have this burning question. So should I take a stand? कि मैं खाली yes बोलूं कि मैं no बोलूं? It is completely okay to be balanced. No problem. ठीक है? In fact, don't take a stand. खाली yes नहीं बोला, अगर कोई opinion question पकड़ रहे हो तो टेक अ बैलेंस, मतलब काउंटर पॉइंट देके भी एक्नॉलेज करो, क्लैरिटी बता दो। in conclusion, these are the pros, these are the cons, you balanced it out, that's okay, that's not a problem at all, ठीक है? लैंग्वेज एंड ग्रामर में प्रिसिशन, सेंटेंस वैरायटी, वोकैब, ठीक है, फोर्स जार्गन किसी भी हालत में नहीं, एंड प्रेजेंटेशन एंड टाइम मैनेजमेंट पे नीटनेस, लेंथ, व्हिच इज वेरी बेसिक, आई एम नॉट गोना गेट इनटू ऑल ऑफ दैट, ठीक है? चलिए भाई, नाउ दिस इज अ क्लासिक, इसमें इफ एवरीथिंग एल्स फेल्स यूज दिस, सो आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद दिस, क्योंकि अभी आपको डिफरेंट डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर्स बताएंगे एज पर डिफरेंट वैट टॉपिक्स। नाउ यहाँ पे थोड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, आपको बाय हार्ट करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है, बट दिस विल सेव योर लाइफ। अगर नहीं हो रहा तो ये यूज करो हर जगह पे। सो पहले वी स्टार्ट विद द इंट्रो। इंट्रो में रीफ्रेज व्हाट द टॉपिक इज स्टेटिंग, व्हाट द आर्गुमेंट इज स्टेटिंग, ठीक है, एंड टेक अ स्टैंस। टेक अ स्टैंस मतलब कि देन काइंड ऑफ गॉन टू जस्टिफाई where do you stand on it, because in the first two sentences the evaluator must know what you want to say. Please don't go round and round. Okay, it is said that, or it is known that. You say what you want to say, you say what you know in the second sentence itself. This is important, okay? Do not waste time. Oh my god, long historical notes, nobody's interested. So if you are gaslighting, if you are dragging on, when you do, avoid, not it's bad, ठीक है? बॉडी में 2 से 3 शॉर्ट पैरा जरूरत नहीं है, यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट 1 पैरा, कंप्लीटली ओके, ईच 2 to 3 sentences, 1 main idea per para. My suggestion, you will take a topic that you are well versed with, obviously आप इतने स्मार्ट तो हो, क्या करो, एक फैक्ट डाल के उसको जस्टिफाई करो। पैरा जंबल्स में अगर आपको याद है, मेमोरीज, हम लोग क्या बोलते थे, आइडिया इलैबोरेशन, आइडिया जस्टिफिकेशन, ठीक है? सो यहां पे आप वही कर, दैट इज हाउ एन आइडियल पैराग्राफ इज स्ट्रक्चर्ड। आइडिया क्या है? प्रेमाइस, डेटा, एविडेंस और फैक्ट, ठीक है? प्लीज अवॉइड जेनेरिक प्रोवर्ब्स, ठीक है? try till you say all of that, oh my god, nobody likes that, so वो नहीं करना किसी भी हालत में, ठीक है? 1 example per para, data, personal, and then elaborate। चलो, ये आपका बॉडी हो गया। बॉडी में you are free to show argument 1, elaboration, argument 2, elaboration, if you have so many arguments. If you don't, show 1 or 2 and elaborate in 1 or 2 sentences, बस clarity of thought दिख जाएगा, ठीक है? You guys, counterpoint में optional one liner है, shows balanced thinking if you have a counterpoint. It's completely okay not to have, but it's all, see, every topic will have 2 sides, you're smart enough to know that, ठीक है? If you're asked an opinion, तो दिखा दो प्रोज और कॉन्स के, ऐसा करने से ये हो सकता है, ऐसा करने से ये हो सकता है, या दोनों के प्रोज और कॉन्स, completely okay. You will not be called diplomatic. Managers are supposed to be balanced. Managers are not supposed to be polarized. You are future managers. That's good enough. ठीक है? Conclusion में 1 line. Please conclude. Please say in conclusion, to sum up, consequently, as a result, therefore, hence, it should be decisive. Decisive matlab it should go back to your topic. You have to complete a full circle. Hence, to sum up on the topic, okay? Forward-looking recommendation will be amazing, because then you just kind of said what the current state of affairs is and what this is storytelling at its best, okay? This is you telling the story logically, okay? So paragraph short rakhna hai, which is of course because you will not be able to write more than that, okay? So far so good, everybody is okay, comfortable. Chaliye, बढ़िया, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now इधर से सारे structures दे रहा हूं मैं. These are just templates. You can copy paste them, use them, by heart them if you feel comfortable. ठीक है? Again, a lot of short forms are there, but just hear me out. अगर current affairs या policy पे आता, ठीक है? This has to do with universal basic income. This could be with our current political state of situations, upcoming elections, महाराष्ट्र में हो रहे हैं, कहाँ जहाँ पे भी हो रहे हैं. SIR, SIR. ठीक है? So उसके लिए प्रेप मॉडल यूज करना चाहिए. पॉइंट क्या है? मतलब इट इज गुड और बैड. ठीक है? रीजन क्या है? नाउ अगेन यहां पे रीजन फॉर गुड, रीजन फॉर बैड. ठीक है? एग्जाम्पल, पॉलिसी, डेटा, इंडिया सेंट्रिक ऑफ कोर्स, एंड पॉइंट रीस्टेटेड, जस्ट क्लोज इट. तो उसको बोलते हैं प्रेप मॉडल. हाउ विल यू रिमेंबर बेस्ट थिंग? पॉलिसी है तो प्रेप है, पीपी. जस्ट रिमेंबर इट. ठीक है? एंड प्रेप में क्या? पॉइंट, रीजन, एग्जाम्पल एंड दिस थिंग. उसका पॉइंट रीस्टेटेड. हाउ टू थिंक ऑलवेज. When I say how to think, this is going to work in your favor because आपको ये लाइंस पे elaborate करना है. Ask, is this about impact, feasibility or ethics? जो भी current affairs होगा, ठीक है, अभी SIR हो रहा है, SIR, why am I calling it SIR? In India, ठीक है, जो हमारा इलेक्शन कमीशन कंडक्ट कर रहा है, इसका इम्पैक्ट क्या है वो देख रहे हैं. मतलब रिजल्ट कि वोटिंग विल बिकम मोर फ्लेक्सिबल, मोर ट्रांसपेरेंट, वोटर आइडेंटिफिकेशन, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. Or are we checking the feasibility? But it is not in the feasibility stage anymore. It is already out in the open, so it's not. अच्छा. Or are we talking of ethics? No, we are not talking of ethics. Ethics की बात इसमें आई नहीं है. But then if you talk of something scientific, ठीक है? अभी क्लोनिंग तो बहुत पुराना हो गया. So maybe something like gene editing. ठीक है? वो जो CRISPR आया था, CRISPR, again old but nonetheless, उसमें ethics आ सकता है, उसमें feasibility आ सकता है. All of this we use one or two or three of this. खत्म. So now you know when the topic comes, मेरे को क्या सोचना है, इसका impact क्या है, impact आता है, मेरे को नहीं आता है. Feasibility क्या है, हाँ feasibility पे कुछ तो I can write. 2 sentences are composed. And finally ethics part. ठीक है? Stick to macro level reasoning. No, oh God, no emotions. Please avoid using qualitative adjectives. Please avoid using generic, gaslighting, which of course is not going to work. And if you're using it, मतलब आपको भी पता है कि please back off. Stop doing it. ठीक है? तो आइडियल स्ट्रक्चर में आपको इंट्रो देना है, कॉन्टेक्स्ट प्लस स्टैंड्स, बॉडी 1 में बेनिफिट अपॉर्चुनिटी, बॉडी 2 में उसका कुछ चैलेंज, एंड ऑफ कोर्स कंक्लूजन. दिस विल, सो यू कैन जस्ट रिमेंबर द प्रेप पार्ट एंड द हाउ टू थिंक पार्ट. गुड इनफ. बाकी इज जस्ट एज अ रेफरेंस पॉइंट. नाउ हाउ विल यू यूज दिस स्लाइड? व्हेन यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग योर वैट एसेस, आप ये सामने रख के बैठोगे, ये आपको बाय हार्ट नहीं, ऐसे नहीं करना. सो यू विल नो टॉपिक कौन सा है, पॉलिसी है, अच्छा ये है, ये यूज करना है, एंड कंपोज योर एसे. यू विल डू दिस वंस, यू विल डू दिस ट्वाइस, यू विल रिमेंबर इट. That's the best part. Okay, chaliye. Next, if there is business, economy or management specifically, ठीक है? तो MBA Lens framework में business objective क्या है? Stakeholders affected कौन से हैं? Oh, I'm sorry, flashback. Decision making हो गया ये तो, ठीक है? So stakeholder and of course short term versus long term. You can do this for valuations, you can do this for IPO frenzy, you can use this for startups, ठीक है? से related ये सब कुछ. Please remember how to think. You're always looking at the point of view of the CEO or of the investor. This is very important. Balance your strategy, sustainability. Sustainability, why? So every business, every startup, economy is supposed to create value, is supposed to add value, is supposed to be long term. तो उसमें sustainable angle 100% आएगा. ठीक है? Now I can also think of a hybrid topic which will overlap this and the earlier part. Suppose if you get a VAT topic on the government wanting to make changes in the fisheries policy. अब उसमें feasibility भी आ रहा है, ethics भी आ रहा है, sustainability भी आ रहा है. So there you have it. Now, but now you know 3 ways to think about it. हाँ, लेकिन अभी आपको उसके बारे में factors और pointers पता होने चाहिए. That is why you select the topic. ठीक है? आइडियल स्ट्रक्चर में इंट्रो में रिफ्रेम द टॉपिक जो पहले भी पढ़ा था हमने. बॉडी 1 आर्गुमेंट ए ऑन ग्रोथ और इनोवेशन, बॉडी 2 आर्गुमेंट बी ऑन प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी और सस्टेनेबिलिटी, एंड कंक्लूजन. ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज नॉट रिजिड, यू कैन कस्टमाइज एज यू वांट, बट द अर्लियर थिंग विल 100% वर्क. सो फार सो गुड. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. नाउ वी हैव, ओह माय फेवरेट, ओवरऑल एथिक्स, सोशल इश्यूज. सो विमेन एम्पावरमेंट, रिजर्वेशन, ठीक है, कोटा सिस्टम, poverty, or kind of eradicating all of such kind of things. ठीक है? We can also talk of corporate ethics, ठीक है, frauds. So इसमें ethic grid, ethical principle क्या है? Fairness, हाँ, मतलब कि what kind of principle will you use? What works in this case? ठीक है? Trade-offs. Trade-offs, see, ethics is always a sliding scale. एथिक्स इज नेवर ब्लैक और व्हाइट. तो ट्रेड ऑफ मतलब के रिस्क देयर ऑफ. ठीक है, तो ऐसा करने से व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम इंपैक्ट और हार्म दैट यू आर कॉजिंग. सो लेट्स टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ विंड टर्बाइंस. Wind turbines, green energy. But what is the trade-off? The trade-off is energy for that. The trade-off is setting up the windmills in the middle of farmland, क्योंकि बाहर रहेगा. Fun fact, I also found this out. Apparently, windmills, because they are so remote, they are far away from civil, as such, generate this kind of high frequency sound, which is extremely harmful to aquatic marine life, including whales. So suddenly now your green energy has become very harmful to one of the endangered species on our planet, that is whales. So what are we going to do about it? So ऐसे, ठीक है, तो trade-offs क्या है? Human impact, of course, and institutional responsibility. Institutional भी stakeholders है. Who is responsible? The government. ठीक है, the founder. Is it private? Is it public-private partnership? ठीक है? Of course, conclusion में and then finally conclusion. How to think में empathy, rational judgment, please. मतलब कि वो trade-offs के साथ आप बोल दोगे, is it necessary? Is it something that should be done or should be tweaked accordingly? Ideal structure में intro, define the conflict, please, because इसमें what versus what. You need to identify the conflict in the topic itself. So let's take the example of reservation in our MBA colleges. So यहाँ पे क्या है? The conflict is underrepresentation or giving access to the underprivileged or not so privileged people, right? An equal platform to compete with the best of the best. That is the thought process. But with that comes the advantage of them being able to secure the seat at a lower percentile or percentage. So that's the conflict. Okay? So identify that. Moral justification, risks or misuse, and of course ethical but regulated approach. So again, it's a bit technical, I get it. Please don't get overwhelmed. But at the same time, this framework will help you think clearly as compared to just randomly starting to write things. चलिए, आगे बढ़ते हैं. We have apps. Oh, ये भाई ये तो अलग. Abstract philosophical topics will look very attractive to you. ठीक है? But just be careful in this क्योंकि you can go all over the place. तो ये थोड़ा risky है. Because if I am an evaluator, I take up your paper and you've written on this thing, I'll be like, अरे यार, preconceived notions. कि you have again just spoken about spirituality or generic stuff. ठीक है? तो idea expansion model करते हैं. Interpret the quote in your own way. It's completely okay. ठीक है? क्या उसका dimension one क्या है, personal क्या, professional क्या. Now best thing ever is you're sitting in a corporate environment. You're going to do MBA to get into corporate or to become an entrepreneur. तो जो भी हो रहा है आप उसको लेके business से link करो. What is the learning in the business world, in the corporate world? ठीक है? Example and application to management. Always. That's all. तो उसमें you can give management principles. You can give your learnings. You can give your own experiences. Quantify, justify. ठीक है? How to think में interpret the metaphor or the proverb or the thought applied to MBA or leadership. Let's take the example of dharma versus karma. Mythos. ठीक है? So this is mythological plus ethos plus ethics. Abstract. So इसमें you can get into the whole leadership theory of leader X versus leader Y. Leader X, leader Y मतलब कि leadership style. Leader X is someone who distrusts, mistrusts, micromanages. Leader Y is someone who's democratic, trusting, empowering. Now again यहाँ पे दो हो गए. You have to take a stand or no. Which is better? Leader X is better in case of managing freshers. Leader Y is better in case of managing middle level professionals or senior managers. So then you're justifying of dharma versus karma. No, you've justified karma, not dharma. Dharma is in this case now people versus profitability. Who do you give more attention and importance? Please avoid by saying balance should be struck between the both. Because the very definition of organization is a body of individuals who come together to achieve a common objective, that common objective being profit. So then I'm sorry, but we cannot do that. So generally, people versus profit mein, you always have to be like, the first priority is ROI, is return. Now we have to also discuss and decide ROI is on everything, on investments, on assets, and assets include our people also. तो ऐसे करके आपने सेव कर दिया सिचुएशन को rather than taking a hard stance or rather than being generic about it. ठीक है? So इसमें भी idea structure में decode intro meaning, don't define the dictionary type. ठीक है? हाँ, oh my god. Don't start your essay by saying the Oxford Dictionary defines it by saying, ठीक है? Please don't. Very generic, very not expected at all. ठीक है? Organizational leadership level पे and of course finally आपका learning mindset उससे क्या रहा? Like I said, you may not use this, it's completely okay, but just remember to use the above part. Clear है? चलिए उसके next technology and society topics. Technology may expect everything under AI, expect everything under robotics, expect everything under killing of creativity. ठीक है? Because तो यहाँ पे भी combination आ रहा है between abstract and technology. और actually society इसमें आ गया. ठीक है चलो. So impact क्या है? Economic impact, social impact, skill transformation, regulation responsibility. You can use your PESTEL framework. आपको PESTEL framework पता है? So I will leave it to you all because you have to just show different types of impacts. That's about it. ठीक है? How to think में fear mongering नहीं. Fear mongering, not that you will do, but to kind of showcase it like this will ruin or this will adversely impact judgmental, qualitative. You're not supposed to get dramatic. Don't. ठीक है? Emphasize adaptation over replacement. So it should be stopped. It should be replaced. उसको modify कैसे कर सकते हो? Your job is not to identify problems. Your job is to come up with sustainable solutions to everything. ये याद रखो. So at the end of the day, यहाँ पे जो भी आपको दिया जाएगा कि social media और the current recent ongoing controversy with X, Twitter, in India, ठीक है? Grok. So everything about it, you need to then not go extreme, so and not over dramatize that, but at the same time give solutions, give suggestions. ठीक है? So वापस idea structure में intro, present the debate, opportunities, risks, and of course balanced future outlook. So far so good. ठीक है? I think we're almost done. हाँ, and last one. Very important. If you are asked to give your opinion, now this can be anything under the sun. This can be something on gender equality, diversity, ठीक है? LGBTQ rights. Although B schools will not get into something political or something extremely sensitive. ठीक है? अच्छा हाँ, इसमें there could also be Indo-Pak relations, or you know, or India's relations with its neighbors, or the foreign policies of USA. तो इसमें आपके opinions पूछे जा सकते हैं. So again, इसमें best framework में agree but best. ठीक है? So partial agreement, because obviously if they're asking you for your opinion, मतलब it is something unpopular. It is something which is not very nice right now. वरना तो आप agree करोगे. ठीक है? It is controversial. So conditions and exceptions though, practical takeaways. Practical takeaways मतलब कि let's take the example of US foreign relations. By putting America first, maybe they have managed to fulfill their pre-poll promises. Maybe they have managed to become protectionist. Maybe they have managed to somewhere, somehow, win the confidence of a certain percentage of Americans. Yes. But this has led to imports being adversely affected, exporters facing a big tariffs. Okay? But quantify, please quantify. Not to mention the fact that somewhere US is getting alienated, which is making it further insecure. And the recent announcement of US withdrawing from 66 agreements, ranging from finance, economics, cooperation, and climate. So this is alienation at its worst. So, but specify. Okay? So agree, लेकिन show maturity by not fully agreeing or disagreeing. This does not make you a confused person. It is okay. It is expected from you. ठीक है? आप इसे intro में position yourself. I partially agree. Please take, मतलब declare this. ठीक है? Body में why it holds true, when it doesn't, and of course conclusion में context. So use this when you are writing your VAT. Don't memorize this and then start. ये आपके लिए framework है. Cheat sheet. Oh my God, cheat sheet. ये आपके लिए ऐसा कुछ वो नहीं है. But then you will remember. It will help you structure it better. जाना? चलिए. Ethics और social issues की बात करते हैं. So 100% इसमें ठीक है. Ethic grid आएगा. मतलब ethical principle. ये I think हो गया है हमारा. हो गया. Repetition side. ठीक है? चलो. Done. Quick time management. Please take 2 minutes to read, understand the task, okay, and frame your thoughts. You can use a rough space. If you're just given a single sheet of paper, it is completely okay to turn it, write rough work, because show that is rough work, and scribble. उसमें एक structure form कर लो कि intro में एकदम bullets में. Take 2 minutes to compose yourself and come. Do not start writing immediately. ठीक है? Next 12 to 16 minutes में, and of course this depends. So you can have 1 minute to think, and this could, depending on अगर आपको खाली 15 मिनट मिले तो, so 1 minute to think, 10 minutes to do this. ठीक है? Intro 1 minute, body, counterpoint, conclusion. Last में, please, oh my God, review. You have got a review. Spelling mistakes, grammar mistakes, subject verb agreement. These are absolutely zero tolerance अगर आपको गलत हुआ है. ठीक है? So I don't know, and मतलब didn't knew. So these are very silly things, which I'm sure. But the problem is, my experience वाले लोग will agree, there's autocorrect. तो autocorrect तो कर देता है, यहाँ पे तो वो नहीं हो रहा है. So let's please avoid it. ठीक है? So reread and edit for grammar. Remove verbosity if you can, but ठीक है, tighten sentences में. ये जो मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ, what phrases to use and how to make it more impactful. Signpost phrases. Firstly, however, in conclusion. So people, this is also something that you should remember. Again, just recommend it. You don't have to use it. A critical corollary. Corollary क्या होता है? Geometry हमने पढ़ा है, obviously. Theorems पढ़े हैं उसमें. तो corollary theorem का सब part होता है. Something that is getting proved because the theorem is now proved. समझा? तो जैसे अगर circle लेते हैं, circle का tangent लेते हैं. If I'm not mistaken, a tangent is something that touches the circle only at one point. Oh my God. तो ठीक है, तो उसका corollary will be that, if a line is drawn from the center to the tangent, it is always perpendicular. Yes. So that's a corollary. समझ रहा है? So ठीक है, anyways, I went there. तो आपने जो thought दिया है, उसका आप derivation करके ऐसे लिख सकते हो. Plus it makes you look fancy, which is good. ठीक है? Empirical evidence suggests best है. ये तो मैं ऐसे star mark करने वाला हूँ, डरावना star. क्यों? You're not sure of the data. You forget the data. You want to say approx. Approx is such a low-level word. So use empirical evidence suggests. तो इसमें आपने trends बता दिया, इसमें आपने backup. Empirical evidence क्या है? Research. ठीक है? So that is good to use. ठीक है? A pragmatic approach would be this risks entrenching. ठीक है? A balanced response is these are good high impact words. Recommended. ठीक है? And of course पहले जो मैंने classes बताई थे यहाँ पे ऐसे you can compose by saying firstly. ठीक है? अच्छा, by the way, there's nothing called secondly. Firstly के बाद second comma. There's nothing called thirdly. Thirdly आता ही नहीं है. Second के बाद खत्म. ठीक है? However and in conclusion, of course. And then of course your power phrases. चलिए. These are all the possible categories of that can come. All of this के frameworks have been given to you all. So that should help you and kind of guide you. ठीक है? So current affairs policy हो गया, business economy हो गया, ethics, social abstract. I've also given you all sample topics. ठीक है? So it is recommended that you read newspapers, you read blogs, you read editorials, you stay updated on websites such as Reddit हो गया, Quora हो गया, Pagal Guide, क्यों उस पे students keep posting their experiences. So the B school that you're targeting is asking typically what kind of VAT topics. This is very helpful. ठीक है? There's a Telegram channel which is very active. मेरे को अगर तुम लोग DM करोगे, sorry, I will send you all the Telegram channel link. उसमें everyone posts their entire, I don't know why, it's very nice. Interview का full experience, full transcript बच्चे लिखते हैं उसमें. ठीक है? Interviewer 1 क्या पूछा, Interviewer 2 क्या पूछा, फिर उसने क्या पूछा, फिर उसने क्या, how the interview and GD and VAT topics. ठीक है? So all of that comes. So I'll send you all the Telegram channel link. That's a very good source. But वो of course B school specific है. So you can decide अगर आपका उसमें B school आया तो well and good, नहीं तो आपको एक idea तो आ जाएगा आजकल चल क्या रहा है, trending क्या है. ठीक है? चलिए, ये हम लोग करने वाले हैं. ठीक है? तो इसमें से एक जो ये workshop है, so we are going to write a topic right now. But before that, I would like to show you all some sample VAT topics. So this is purely reading. I am not reading this out. I would like you to look at the highlighted words to show impact, to show usage of my earlier templates and models. Please read. Is it making sense? You're seeing how, now, okay, you may agree or not agree with this, of course, क्योंकि ये एक version है, ये full version है, ठीक है? It may look a bit too fancy to you, so relax, ठीक है? But you can see how the balance is there. Balance is there मतलब कि ये उसका stand है, कि balance होना चाहिए. More importantly, उसने उसको illustrate किया है, superb. ठीक है? उसने उसका suggestion भी दिया है. Power word. Now he's flipped, contrasted. Very important. And then of course suggestions and recommendations. This is most important. यहाँ पे एक error है. ये पूरा continuous है. You have to go in lines. You have to not do it. You don't have to leave 2 finger spacing. But at the same time, you need to start on the next line. That's all. If you think your para is ending on the last line का end, leave a line. Because nothing speaks better than a neatly laid out. Neatly चलो सबकी handwriting अलग होती है. But a well laid out kind of thing. avoid too many scratches, scribblings, avoid. Okay? If you have to, you're human, happens, avoid. That is why first 1-2 minutes में frame it. Okay? One more sample, please. Clear है guys? Making sense? So once again यहाँ पे the fact that you have taken a stand by using a power word. How? So you've justified. ठीक है? You've again taken a impactful word. अच्छा, precise claim, evidence. You've given examples and always all the solutions भी उसके दिए हैं आपने and आपने conclude किया. So signal the direction of your VAT topic. That is extremely important. ठीक है? चलिए, now can we just spend 5 minutes and please write something? I'll tell you what, in the spirit of democracy, I will let every student select one topic, any topic that you are comfortable with. Right now, since we will not compose the whole topic, okay? I would like you to just give me the body. Body में 2 से 3 sentences be good enough है. Make it impactful. You know, try to stand out on that basis. Try to gather all your knowledge on it and choose any one topic. And then we'll have some sample reading out. Not everyone, that some kid wants to share. Okay? So take 2 minutes to think, then take about 5 minutes to write, and then we will share.
So I have chosen the topic of social media, misinformation, and mental health. Firstly, empirical evidence shows that users of social media are more likely to have a negative self-image, particularly with regards to their body. This is because on social media platforms like Instagram, one is constantly flooded with photos of the best supermodels, and that reinforces unrealistic expectations in the minds of people, which causes many of them to take steroids or undergo surgeries and otherwise have low self-image. Secondly, there is also the issue of addiction, because it has been scientifically demonstrated that social media usage, like watching reels or watching YouTube shorts, generates hits of dopamine, which is behavior that is very similar to the taking of drugs. And many social media platforms try to hijack our brains by using psychological tricks. For example, Facebook notifications are colored red deliberately because the human mind perceives the color red in such a way that it as an alarm signal, and we want to instantly check what the notification is. Therefore, social media has negatively affected mental health.
Okay.
And misinformation.
Okay, fair enough. That's quite a lot, by the way. I like the fact that you've chosen to highlight 2 main arguments. I love the flow is there. It's very structured. Yeah. Again, for critiquing sake, it's well composed. In the timeline that you had, you've managed to compose it very well. I like the fact that you've given examples also. Okay? And you've backed both the arguments with how can I put it? Sufficient examples. If we could have some statistics, if we could have some specific examples, okay, that would be kind of amazing. So maybe you could have spoken of some regulation, you could have spoken of platforms, you could have spoken on volumes, you could have spoken on age groups. I'm just thinking out loud. Okay? So I'm sure you thought of it or you did not think of it. But see, this topic is extremely something that is very relevant. So a lot of thoughts will come, a lot of different angles will come up about looking at it. You've done what you have done. It's fine. Grammar is fine. Like I said, this thing is fine. And the spellings, I'm sure, must be correct because you mustn't have made spelling mistakes. Okay, done. Awesome. Somebody else, please. You please read out because you have written. So whatever that you've written, read out.
So, both developed and developing countries are formulating climate policies like COP26 and green energy corridors for a more sustainable future. In doing so, one thing to one thing to take care of would be the business costs that are associated with such a transition. For a country like India, which is gifted with longer sunlight hours, switching to options like solar energy would be more economically viable than wind energy, which would probably be more suitable for countries like Germany. In this context, countries and companies can reduce their electricity costs, which are from 5 to 6 rupees for coal-based power to even 3 rupees for solar-based power. In conclusion, transition to green energy is necessary, but business costs must be taken into account. And yeah, something
Okay,
like that.
okay. I love the fact that there are numbers. I love the fact that you've gone down to the cost of it. Again, in the timeline, you've not been able to do justice. So while I got this part, I got even a bit of transition. I did not get justification for the business side of things. Fine, fair enough, fair enough. You've tried. And I'm sure you will, given when we have 15, 20 minutes to write. That's completely okay. Um, I'm just thinking out loud. How about, see, now again, green energy and, kind of renewable and all of this. So it's a political hot potato. Okay? जहाँ पे there are lobbies, the oil lobby, which kind of goes against it. So you could have also said, since solar, you started by solar. So the fact that we are the chair of the Global Solar Power Alliance, जिसमें से US has just withdrawn. That's not the point. So this would have, so मतलब we are very solar first. But at the same time, business cost में अभी तक solar has not become viable in our country.
So there are a lot of other adjacencies to this because again in 2022 what had happened was India was more solar pro,
Correct.
but then they realized that solar only works for like 7 to 8 hours. After that you need a storage
Other
kind of a
source, yeah,
thing.
yeah.
So I wanted to include a lot, but I think the topic was
Fair.
yeah. So I think I would also like to include maybe battery is what is making it economically unviable.
Super. That's
You know,
brilliant. I love it. Okay? And that's where the race in the world today, when you talk of EVs,
correct.
is to bring down, because the battery cost alone is a massive percentage, and battery charging time. But battery charging time, and since now we are digressing from the solar part, sorry, but the battery charging time has been brought down now to almost 10 to 15 minutes with superchargers. Okay? Which is quite awesome. Okay? But at the same time, the problem is the battery cost, which you rightly said.
Yeah.
Okay? So there are adjacencies, but there are too many ways to look at it. So what will become difficult in topic like this, where she is good at, or a topic like social media, where he was good at? Too many thoughts.
Yeah.
So remember, in 1 to 2 minutes, you have to filter them down, choose the most impactful ones that you can do full justice, because there are chances that maybe, just maybe, your essay could become your interview discussion point as well. And then what? And then that will be awesome. You'll get a chance to justify. But then you should have enough content. Why did you write that when you wrote that? This kind of. Okay, all great. Super. All right, so that's about it. Okay, I hope the workshop was useful. I hope you're going back with a sure shot clarity or direction. If this comes up, I have to write this. Yes, there are obvious struggles, but if you keep updating yourself, reading every day, anyways, newspaper reading is going to work wonders here. And kind of blogs, like, if you can read a little bit of, again, Aeon essays, just the crux of it. You don't have to read the 5,000 Aeon essay, because reading comprehension की बात नहीं हो रही है. But the fact that they publish updated ones, National Geographic, okay, in terms of what is happening with that part of the world, The Economist, very, very relevant magazine, and of course, newspapers such as The Hindu or Economic Times will work wonders and should help you in your VAT round. Chalo, that's about it. Thank you so much. All the very best, and thank you so much. Bye.